Hey guys, welcome back to Ask an Engineer. A customer reached out this week wondering if there's a good way to add an interior panel to an enclosure design. Right now, he is planning a 5-side enclosure and would like to have a flat plate so that he can mount components to it on a second level to reduce his footprint. So, for examples like that, this is what the fasteners we recommend using. These are self-clinching fasteners. Right now they're plugged to ensure that no debris get in there, but they are threaded, and when there's a flat plate on top of it, we'll add screws to go right through. Now let's head over to my cubicle and I'll show you how we do it in Designer. Alright, so now that we're over in the office, I'm going to show you how an internal panel is added in Protocase Designer. Here you can see we already have it added, where you're able to add 3D components in Designer. They're only visual references, so please take care when adding them. Now to add an internal component, I'm going to go ahead and delete the one I've already added. When adding an internal component, it is crucial to understand how you will be mounting it. So in this case, I'll be using self-clinching fasteners, where you're going to be able to screw in from the top down to mount it. And what you want to do is edit the face under Import and Export, Import Subassembly. Then here, I have this named as Ask an Engineer 2. Go ahead and place it. So here I have self-clinching fasteners, and I will rotate it to fit into my enclosure. As you can see, it sits in there with the fasteners. Now to add the fasteners, there's a little bit of a trick where you will take the cutouts that you've already added to your internal panel where you want it to mount. You'll take the measurements from it, the distance between them and the distance between the edges, and then you'll add that same distance to your fasteners like I have here. Hopefully that answers your question. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.